Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I've when I did the sausage, I did potatoes, but I had pre-cooked the potatoes some in the microwave. Well, a subscriber of mine said that they made some, and I'm sorry I don't remember who that was, but said that they made some and they did not pre-cook them and it did good. So I'm just wiping down my grill, gonna fire it up, and once it gets heated up, I'll bring you back. Okay, since the camera's closer to this side, this is the side I'm cooking the potatoes on. And we're going to cook some frozen hamburgers for the first time tonight, but that'll be on this side. So I'm not putting those on yet. So this one's cut almost off. I have this on high to get it started. Now I'm going to use the same stir-fry oil that's infused with garlic and onion and herbs for high heat cooking. Now again, I did not pre-cook my potatoes and I've already seasoned them up. And this oil doesn't come out fast, so that's really not a lot of oil. And it will probably splatter a little bit because I tried to dry as much water off as I could, but I'm sure I didn't get it all. Just trying to get an even layer. And I think they told me, the one that cooked just potatoes without pre-cooking, said that they had cubed them up a little bit smaller than mine was before when I had pre-cooked them before. So, we'll see. They're about 1/4 inch thick, some of them may be a 1/2 inch thick. I was in a hurry, still taking care of these baby kittens. So, in about 5 minutes, I'll bring you back when I go to flip them. I hope we don't get rained out. It's sunny and beautiful, and just now I just heard a rumble of thunder. It's that time of the year here. Be beautiful and just a pop-up storm will hit you. So hopefully we can get these done. But while these are cooking, what I do, I usually peel mine ahead of time. I wash them and let them just sit in cold water. And then when I get ready to cook them, I drain them, rinse them again, drain them real good, dry it with a paper towel as much as I can. Then I add just a little bit of oil on there, toss it around, and then my seasonings, which is kosher salt, pepper, there's some Cajun seasoning and garlic and onion and stuff, and just mix that in too. And then when I get ready to cook it, they're ready and seasoned. Alright, let me see how good these are going to flip and if they're sticking or not. Now, even when I fry potatoes inside on the stove, I always at first cover them some to let them steam just a little bit to help with the cooking, and I'm going to do this out here too. So I'm going to pile them up, and I'm just going to cover them with my tin pan. Alright, I'll bring you back when I'm ready to take that off. And I'm actually getting to cook on it by myself. Besides, Ricky's out here, he's going to do the burgers. And there's the frozen hamburgers going on. My stepdad had made these at his house before on the griddle, and they were pretty good. I just wanted to see how frozen burgers would be. We've had them on my stepdad's griddle, but not on mine. And like my daughter don't even want hamburgers on the grill no more. She wants them on the griddle. I'm telling you, it makes everything taste excellent. Alright, I'm going to check on my potatoes. Now I'm going to cover them one more time, let them go about 5 minutes, and then I'll finish them off uncovered. And remember, I'm just showing you how I'm doing it. Everybody's different in how they prepare things. That's how we like it. They look like they're doing good. I just tested one. It's feeling tender. So I'm going to take the camera inside. When these get done, I'm going to take them up in a pan with some lined with paper towels, and then I'll meet you inside. Okay, I'm going to just try it right now out of the pan. I'm going to try one, Alex. Mmm.
Really good.
They're really good, ain't they? Thank you to whoever gave me that tip. I will try to go back in the comments and find out. But everything tastes better. We already know how the hamburgers are going to taste because we've had them before at my stepdad and mom's house. These are really, really good. So let me know if you fried potatoes yet on yours and how you do it and how you season yours and everything. So please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Comment because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.